Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how text to columns works in Excel. If you're new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to share this video. Here we have a data contains a full name, that is first and last name. I need to split with by using a separated as space. Let's see, just select the data and click on data. Click on text to columns. Select as a delimited in the sense it will be it will be separates based on the tab, semicolon, comma, space or other. I need to separate this first and last name by using the space. Click on space. It will get the data will be previous. How the first and last name will be matches. It separates. Click on next. Here I need the location that where I want to store the data, or else you place the data inside. Just select here, click on finish. That's it. Here we have a result that is separated by the space of the full name to first and last name. But I want to split only. I want to get only the first two letters. Let's see. Just select the data. Click on data. Click on text to columns. Just select the fixed width. Click on next. Just drag it to after two letters. That is JOMI. Click on next. Now the two letters got separated. Here we can see in the data preview and select the cell where we need to store. Click on finish. That's it. Here we got the two letters got extracted from this full name. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.